Hi guys, I'm Rita and I am Digital Accountant. In today's episode, I will share points why I would choose or why I would not choose Ember Accounting Software to manage my sole trader business operations. These are the points why would I choose Ember Accounting Software. Let's start with the first one, bank feed. As a sole trader, if you manage your business operations from your personal bank account, Ember Accounting Software has an amazing functionality that you can split all transactions what you're making from your personal bank account between business or personal. So only business-related transactions goes towards your self-assessment tax return. Also, if you decide that particular transaction relates to your business, then you will be able to attach a support document like invoice. If you have multiple bank accounts, for example, you have bank account and also you have your credit card separate account, you will be able to enable bank feeds from both of those and then sort or split transactions between personal and business related transactions. Real-time tax summary. So how many of you sole traders have actually waited till submission date to find out how much tax you actually are liable to pay to HMRC? Well, Ember Accounting Software will provide you with real-time tax summary, including how much you will need to pay income tax and how much will go towards your national insurance contributions based on your transactions entered on Ember Accounting Software. Also, you will be able to see profit and loss statement, so how much income you have made and how much you have spent in a tax year. It's such an amazing feature or functionality for Ember Accounting Software to provide you with an insight, even in middle of your tax year, how much tax you would need to pay in that certain date or at a certain point in a tax year. Very, very good. Another great feature on Ember Accounting Software is income and expense categories. If you're worried that you might claim something that you shouldn't for your self-assessment purposes as a sole trader, then Ember Accounting Software provides on every single category a detailed information of what you can include and what you cannot include in that particular category. It works like a library, so you do not need to actually go and do your own research to find out what you can claim as a sole trader. Ember mobile app. So if your best friend is smartphone, then Ember mobile app has no features omitted compared to desktop version. So they both got the same features on. And you will be able to record all transactions and review your reports. In short, manage your sole trader business on a go. These are considerations to take into account about Ember Accounting Software. Supplier invoices. So if as a sole trader you receive lots of supplier invoices, you will be unable to enter those in the same way as you would issue customer invoices. Well, at least I could not enable that function or section, but I know that for limited companies there is a separate section called purchases. You will be able to attach supplier invoices once you actually making transaction. I mean, if you pay for that invoice, you will be able to record payment and attach invoice. Otherwise, you might need to keep records of your supplier invoices somewhere else. Credit notes. If you have not enabled bank feed, you will be not able to issue credit notes to your customers. You will be able to delete, but that will mean that you cannot keep track of all transactions on your sole trader account. Only when you will enable bank feed, you will be able to issue credit notes to your customers. Multi-user access. If multi-user access is important for you, I will need to upset you and let you know that currently it is not supported on Ember Accounting Software. I know that Ember team is working on it, but I don't know timescale when it might be going live. So if multi-user access is important to you, you might need to consider different accounting software. Bank fee transactions. Now I'm getting really picky actually, because it might be not a deal breaker, but if you decide to test Ember Accounting Software and you would allocate one of bank accounts which is nothing to do with your sole trader business, you will be not able to delete those transactions. They will stay on your personal tab forever, and even if you will unconnect, if I use correct term, like if you connect then you unconnect, yeah, so all those bank accounts will show up there. Maybe there is an option to reach out to customer service and ask to restart your account if you decide to do so. Otherwise you are not able to delete those transactions. Whereas on another hand, you are able to delete all invoices, you are able to delete products, you are able to delete clients as well as manual entries, but you are not able to delete bank feed enabled transactions, what will be pulled through from your bank. There are two other important considerations. One is pricing and second one is customer service. So let's talk about pricing first. Since I have started using Ember Accounting Software, they have actually changed their pricing model. Now they have free packages. One available for free and two are paid packages. Their pricing model is based on a motto, pay as you grow. So the more revenue you make per month, more likely you will need to upgrade to next package. So if you are under £1,000 per month, you will be able to stay on free Ember Accounting Software package. I should note, if you don't go for unlimited, which is most expensive package, you will need to pay a fee on submitting self-assessment. That means Ember team submitting self-assessment on behalf of you will cost you £99 plus VAT. Let's talk about customer service. So if you are on free package, you have two options how you can find an answer to your burning question. Either you can post your question on Ember community forum and other business owners will be able to share their knowledge and expertise on a question what you have asked, or you can search on help center and you might be able to find an answer there by looking at their guides or maybe through frequently asked questions answers. If you want more support, like that there is someone who can answer to your question at that time or within certain time, you will need to upgrade to a paid package. So if you need an accountant's advice catered to your particular question and needs, you will need to update to a paid package. I hope that these points will help you decide if Ember Accounting Software is the right software for you to use to manage your business operations as a sole trader. It has indeed a great features, especially if you use your personal bank account or multiple bank accounts to run your business operations. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for watching and I will see you next episode.